So we have our f, our future value, is equal to our present value. You have 1 plus your r divided by number of periods to your n t. So we'll move the p over, divide both sides by p. Then we have f p is equal to 1 plus your r divided by your n raised to the n t. Now to get this down, you just need to take a log. So we're going to take a log of both sides. So we have, I'm just going to do the natural log of f over p is equal to nt natural log of 1 plus r over n. Now since the n, the t, and the natural log are all being multiplied together, I can divide both sides by the same thing. So I'm going to divide by n natural log of 1 plus r over n on both sides. Okay. Now, that crosses this out and those out. So now we have the natural log of f over p over n natural log of 1 plus r over n is equal to t. So we can plug in these values, and what you'll get is you have the natural log of 40 over 20 divided by n is 1 in our case, natural log, and then we have 1 plus, you're going to use that 10% over here, and that's going to be 0.10 over your n, which is 1, and what you end up with is t, which is equal to 7.27 years. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe. There's a lot more financial topics on this channel, as well as how to make money, how to invest, how to get out of debt. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.